everybody, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back for the main swap for May over on Ginger's Corner. This month's theme that was voted on and won was garden tools. And so I created this on my Cricut. We'll make a really cute title, and we're just going to put it together. This is just the pieces to it. This one's technically an extra piece. I accidentally had the wrong color loaded whenever I was cutting, and I ended up cutting this, so I figure I'll just glue this one onto it to give it a little more dimension. It'll just make it a little bit thicker. So, pretty much, I took, oops, I just dropped it. I took my black soot ink and inked all the edges. Oh, here it is. I was trying to find my Distress Oxide black soot, and I just went through and I inked all my pieces. So, let me reload this. And I'm just going to hit the tops and the bottom because the rest of it's going to be all hidden. So it's not going to matter. Alright, so there's that one. And then the letters. And then this one. And I just went very lightly over this because this is my base that everything's going to be glued on. But I did make it just a tiny bit bigger just to give it that shadow look. So, alright. So, that's it on that part. So then we're just going to glue stuff together. So, I'm just going to start by gluing this shovel to the other one. And that's exact. And then I'm just going to glue the handle on. Now, for the main swap, it does not have to be flat. It can be dimensional. You can add bling. You can add all kinds of things to your piece. You also, for the monthly swap, you make 10. Everyone mails to Ginger, whether you're international or not, since it is the monthly swap. But you make 10 and you get 10 different ones back. So, it's always really fun. This is your time to really go all out, and you know, you don't have size requirements. It doesn't have to be flat. You can really use your creativity and make some really cute pieces. This is considered the big swap. Alright, so here's my lettering. Once again, I ended up using that font that Mallory sent me that I love so much. But, and it would have worked out good if it didn't cut so small. Oops. But, that was my own fault for how I sized it and made it. But it's okay. So, I'm just going to add it down here. It's a little harder, but you can always manipulate it somewhat. And then the I goes about right in here, because you can see where the little dot's supposed to be for it. And then the T. Alright, so, probably going to be posting, I'm filming ahead, I'm probably going to be posting this video on the 1st, and if so, sign-ups are going on right now. I think she gives, I think it'll be today and tomorrow whenever it will, sign-ups will end tomorrow, I think. So you just go on there and find the post, comment that you want to be on a team, and you will make 10 and mail them to Ginger. She sends you all the info in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to be entered to win one of these, all you have to do is leave me a comment below, and I will do the drawing at the end of the month. The last day of the month, I do all of my drawings for the whole month. For every week's embellishment swap, I always do a giveaway. You just have to leave a comment to be entered. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I may actually go back with my pen and just put a little highlight right here with my white pen. Okay, let me grab one just to do it. Just to give it that little shadow. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, bye y'all.